Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. Please open this book of Inspiring Science for grade 1. Open page number 34 of this book. Today our topic is my body. It is an interesting topic. You will enjoy a lot after reading of this chapter. These are the parts of body that you are seeing here. Before starting reading of this lesson and explanation of this lesson, you will have to sing a song along with me. Eyes are for seeing, eyes are for seeing, nose is for smelling, nose is for smelling, tongue is for tasting, tongue is for tasting, ears are for hearing, ears are for hearing, hands are for touching, hands are for touching, two little hands go clap, 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 two little feet for tap, 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 two little feet for tap, 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 two little eyes are open wide, two little eyes are open wide, one little head goes side to side, one little head goes side to side. Okay students, today you will have to listen this video carefully. We are talking about parts of our body. First of all, I am going to revise the names of these parts that are here. First one is hair, eye, ear, nose, this is nose, mouth, neck, chest, this is shoulder, elbow, hand, thigh, stomach, this is stomach, you will spell like this way, stomach. Next one is hand, thigh, knee, here is ankle and foot. These are parts of our body. At the top of our body is the head. The front side of our head is face. This is called face. We can use eyes to see around us. Eyes are used for seeing. We can see different things around us. You are standing in your room and you are watching this video. You are watching this video with the help of your eyes. And you are hearing this video. You are listening this video. You can listen music. You can listen talk that I am talking at this time. You use your ears when you will have to hear different sounds. You will have to hear different sounds with your ears. With your ears, you have two ears. We have two eyes and two ears. Next one part is our mouth. Look at here, mouth is here. I have one mouth, you have one mouth. I can talk and eat with my mouth. I have one nose. You can see nose is here. We use nose to smell, and we can breathe and smell with our nose. We can smell any kind of smell with the help of our nose. If our room is full of different kinds of smell of perfumes and fragrance of perfumes, fragrance of flowers, you can smell through your nose and you can breathe through your nose. And we have teeth. Teeth are here. We have teeth inside our mouth. We can bite food with our teeth. Look at here. This is tongue, and we can taste food that we eat with the help of our tongue. We have two lips. Lips are here. One lip is here, another is we have two lips, and we have two cheeks. You are seeing two cheeks are here, two cheeks and one chin. This is chin and this is forehead. Here are on the top of our head, on the top of our head. So we can say, students, we have different kinds of body parts. All of body parts have their use. Now you will have to fill these blanks that are here. I am going to help. How can you fill these? I have dash eyes. How many eyes do you have? Definitely two eyes. Dash ears. How many ears do you have? Two ears. How many nose? You will write here one. And how many tongue? One tongue. I see with my eyes. EYES, eyes. Here with my ears. You will hear different kinds of objects, sounds of different kinds of objects, and you have to hear that I am talking to you. So you can say hear with my ears, EARS, ears. Smell with my nose, 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 and taste with my tongue, TONGUE, tongue. Activity is here. Draw your face and name the parts. You will have to draw your face and you will have to draw the parts of your body here. Okay, students, today you will have to complete page number 35 and you will have to read page number 34, and you will have to draw eyes and nose in your notebook of science, and you will have to complete this page number 35. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.